Hello everyone, welcome to Sandeep Life Transform, your go-to channel for personal development and life transformation. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to: stress, anxiety, and procrastination in the workplace. These are common challenges. The good news is that we can overcome all of these using the powerful method of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, or NLP. So, let's get started. What exactly is NLP? Well, NLP, or Neuro-Linguistic Programming, is a psychological approach that involves analyzing and changing how we think, feel, and behave. It's all about understanding the connection between our neurological processes, language, and behavioral patterns that we've learned through experience. NLP can help us reprogram our minds to react differently to situations that usually cause stress, anxiety, or procrastination. In essence, NLP allows us to take control of our thoughts and emotions. Imagine having the power to stay calm under pressure. Sounds amazing, right? Let's explore how you can start implementing NLP techniques in your daily life. Now, let's dive into the top 3 NLP techniques that can help you overcome stress, anxiety, and procrastination. The first technique is anchoring. This involves creating a mental association between a specific physical action and a desired emotional state. For example, you can touch your thumb and forefinger together while thinking about a time when you felt incredibly calm and confident. By repeating this action during moments of stress, your mind will recall that calm and confident feeling. Try it out. Close your eyes, recall a peaceful moment, and anchor that feeling by touching your thumb and forefinger together. Practice this regularly, and soon you'll have a powerful tool to manage stress. The second technique is the Swish pattern. This is used to change negative thought patterns. When you catch yourself procrastinating, visualize the current unproductive behavior. Then, imagine a new image of yourself being highly productive. Repeat this process until the negative image loses its power and the positive one becomes dominant. This can reprogram your mind to focus on productivity instead of procrastination. The third technique is reframing. This involves changing the way you perceive a stressful situation. Instead of seeing a tight deadline as a source of stress, reframe it as an exciting challenge that can showcase your skills and efficiency. By altering your perspective, you change your emotional response. Next time you face a stressful situation, ask yourself, how can I view this differently? You'll be surprised at how much this simple shift in perspective can reduce anxiety. These techniques are incredibly powerful, but they are just the beginning. Imagine having a structured, comprehensive program to guide you through these and many more NLP techniques in detail. That's exactly what you get in my life transformation journey. My program offers personalized coaching, in-depth training, hand-holding, and ongoing support to ensure you make lasting changes. You'll gain the tools and knowledge to permanently overcome stress, anxiety, and procrastination, leading to a more productive and fulfilling life. So, if you're ready to take control of your life, be an action taker and transform your mindset, click the link in the description, fill the form, and get a personalized one-on-one sessions with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below about which technique you are excited to try. Remember to subscribe for more life transforming content. Until next time, stay positive and keep transforming your life.